हाय हेलो नमस्कार, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग बढ़िया होंगे। और हम आए अपने नए वीडियो में। हम जा रहे हैं घर। और क्या हुआ भैया, पेंट खुल गई क्या? कोई नहीं यार, खुल जाती, कौन सी बड़ी बात है। बड़े बड़े शरीरों में छोटी छोटी घटनाएं घटित होती रहती है। और शाम को पड़ रही है धूप, बलती बलती हवा आ रही है। बलती बलती मतलब ताती ताती, है ना। मतलब ताती मतलब निवाई निवाई क्या बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी में, गरम। हाँ, गरम 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 जो है हवा आ रही है। और मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ अभी से ये हाल है तो फिर मई जून के अंदर, जुलाई के अंदर जो है वो क्या हाल होगा। ऐसे एकदम जो है वो हाथों के जो गरम गरम हवा है ना, वो चीट रही है। मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे चमड़ी उपाड़ के ले जाएगी। उपाड़ना मतलब उखाड़ के ले जाएगी, है ना। क्या करें भाई, ये मारवाड़ी पीछा ही नहीं छोड़ रही, चाहे जितनी कोशिश कर लो। चलो आज हम एक काम करते हैं, आज हम जो है वो इंग्लिश में जो है वो बनाएंगे। हाँ, सो वी आर गोइंग टू द होम है, लेकिन बट वी आर गोइंग टू व्लॉग इन इंग्लिश, ओके। एंड माई एक्सेंट इज लिटिल बिट ऑफ साउथ इंडियन। आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई लर्नड इंग्लिश फ्रॉम ए साउथ इंडियन टीचर, so okay, I don't know what to talk, where to talk, why to talk, and how to talk, but I will continue talking, okay. And you can है ना, you can subscribe to the channel, and I there is no words yaar in English. There is no sentences, there is no words in English what to speak. There are many sentences in English, in Hindi to speak. आप हिंदी में कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, है ना, लेकिन there is no words, there is scarcity of words in English, है ना। I am feeling a little bit of bumps on my bum. I am feeling bumps on my bumps, है ना। But I don't know what is the difference between the pronunciation, है ना। And I want to go inside this, what to tell them, this type of structure, okay. I want to घुसना चाहता in this structure. I know my English will come, but it will come slowly, है ना। It will come gradually. It's not coming very fluently एकदम से, okay. It will come, but it will come थोड़ी late, okay. But it will definitely come. I am very, मेरे करण अर्जुन आएंगे मेरे, है ना। ऐसे कब भी आओ। So the Scorpio is coming from front, and जिसके पीछे Isuzu is coming, and in front some Bolero is going, 4-wheeler। अरे भैया अरे भैया को what to say in English, अरे भैया, अरे brother, है नहीं, okay. There are dungars, too many dungars. Dungars means mountains. There are too many mountains here. This is the Aravalli series, okay. How can I be professional with this type of accent यार? I want to be professional English speaker, है ना। My English will come, but it will come very very slowly. There is a bike going to सामने in front of me. One person is sitting behind the other person. Oh भाई साहब। And one person is ladies and other person is other person is gents. The ladies is sitting behind gent. I don't know gents is plural or singular. If there is an s in the end of the gents, then it means it should be plural. If the gents is singular, so what will we call the gents? Gent. Or if the gents is singular, then what will be the plural of the gents? It will be gentses. I don't know, you tell me in the comment section, okay. This is very beautiful scene, okay, yeah. I have done complete जोर, my complete जोर लगा दिया, मतलब I have set my complete जोर, complete strength to speak English, but I can only extract that much of English which I am talking फिलहाल currently, okay. काफ़ी लंबी सांस लेनी पड़, वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग ब्रीथ I have to take to speak this type of high level of English which no one can understand, okay. Please English, come to me, please, I beg to you, please come to me. I have never begged to anyone, never. This much of begging I never did to anyone. This much is I am begging to you, English. Please come to me. I want to speak you. I want to speak you. Why are you? सोने बिलियन 150 I don't know why I don't know why I am बेइज्जती करिंग with speaking English this fluent but I am just trying never assume defeat, okay? Never assume defeat, never accept defeat, you must try. अरे बाप, what will happen to me, brother? What will happen? What has happened? Funds. There are too many funds. There are many funds. And there are mutual funds. There are guild funds. There are treasury funds. There are funds and funds and funds. Okay. I am not. I am. Who I am? I am a. Am I a? No, I am not a. I am not a. Hello बच्चों, how are you? No one देखो सबसे very क्या just come to English, okay? I am coming to English. No one is listening to me. What I speak, what I say, how I say, why I say. That's the freedom. I can कोकाट मार सकता है इसमें, लेकिन no one will listen, and this is plus point for me. I can do anything I want inside the helmet. Even my only helmet and the bike can hear me. No one can hear, but that's why I am speaking. If someone is listening here, so I won't be able to do something. I have only words, something, nothing, anything, worthing, earthing. अरे भैया नहीं, ये तो दीदी है. अरे दीदी ऐसे मत भागो यार. एक दीदी दूसरे के पीछे भाग रही, क्या पता इसने अपना बॉयफ्रेंड दूसरे को पटा लिया. क्या कह रहा हूँ मैं तो खुद को नहीं पता. आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग या व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग या व्हाट आई एम टोल्डिंग. तो मेरे ख्याल से टोल्डिंग तो नहीं होता होगा. आई एम स्पीकिंग, सेइंग, टॉकिंग, टेलिंग. I don't know where to use which word in the sentence. If I have to speak in English, I am totally zero. If I have to write this down in a notebook, I am a hero. What a rhyming! I am a poem. Not I am not a poem. My words are poem, and I am the poet. Do you understand that? मेरा सांस उठ गया. My breath is lifted. अरे दीदी यहाँ क्यों बैठे हो भैया? So how are you friends? My English has come something to me. Now I can speak in English. I am going to my home. I am on the way riding my bike. My bike's name is Pulsar NS200. I haven't not given it any particular fancy name, but it's always a Pulsar. And I am coming from bank after my work has completed. If I बस इतनी आई थी, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं आती fluent. This is a bus which has stopped here to drop someone at his destination, and the road has now come broken, so I have to stop the video. So thank you guys for being in my video. Let's meet in next video. So tata, bye bye.